Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable Mamdikmatuniaya as lecturer, research methodology. Let me introduce myself. My name is Fitri Anwar from Accounting 3F. In this occasion, I want to present my final project of proposal, and the title is Fixed Asset Accounting Treatment at PT Sunstar Motor MT Haryono, Semarang. The structure of my presentation: number 1 is background, number 2 formulation of the problem, number 3 purpose, number 4 benefit, number 5 literature review, and the last is research methodology. Number 1 is background. To improve the smooth operation expected by the company with good quality, it requires management ability in managing factors in the company. One of the assets that need to be considered is fixed asset. But in practice, there are problems which affects financial statement at the later date. In order to mislead the users of financial statement, the presentation of fixed asset in the financial statement must be adjusted of what has been set by financial accounting standards. PT Sunstar Motor MT Haryono Semarang in the recorded of fixed asset has not fully used financial accounting standard. For that, it requires an analysis of the treatment of fixed asset at PT Sunstar Motor MT Haryono Semarang. The next is the formulation of the problem. Number 1 is how is the treatment of fixed asset accounting at PT Sunstar Motor MT Haryono Semarang in 2022. And number 2 is the treatment of fixed asset accounting at PT Sunstar Motor MT Haryono Semarang in accordance with the provision in PSAK number 16 of 2022. And next is the purpose. Number 1 is to find out how the treatment of fixed asset accounting at PT Sunstar Motor MT Haryono Semarang in 2022. And number 2 is to find out the accounting treatment of fixed asset at PT Sunstar Motor MT Haryono Semarang in 2022, whether it is in accordance with the provision in PSAK number 16. And the next is the benefit. There are 3 benefits of my final project. Number 1 is to add and enhance insights, knowledge, and skills about the treatment of fixed asset accounting and its application in practice. Number 2 is can attract interest in the accounting of fixed asset and can be used as reference for the study purpose. And number 3 is as information and input material about the suitability of fixed asset according calculation at PT Sunstar Motor MT Haryono Semarang according in PSAK number 16. The next is the literature review. Number 1 is the definition of fixed asset. Fixed asset under SAK number 16 are tangible assets held for use in the production or provision of goods or services, to be federalized to other parties or for administrative purposes, and are expected to be used for more than one period. Number 2 is fixed asset classification. They are land, equipment and machinery, buildings, roads, education and networking, and other fixed asset and construction in the works. Number 3 is fixed asset recognition. According to PSAK, it states that the cost of account. Number 3 is fixed asset recognition. According to PSAK states that the cost of acquiring fixed asset is recognized as an asset only if A. Most likely the entity will derive future economic benefits from these assets, and the cost of acquisitions is obtained reliably. The next is fixed asset acquisition. Acquisition by cash purchase, installment purchase, combined acquisition by exchange, unforgived donation, and self-created fixed asset. The next is depreciation of fixed asset. Fixed asset can be depreciated through several methods, namely the straight-line method, the decrease balance method, and the unit of production method. The next is termination of fixed asset recognition. The release of fixed asset can be done in various ways, including sale of fixed asset, expiration of fixed asset useful life, and fixed asset exchange. Number 1 is data classification. Types of data by their nature. Quantitative data to be used in this study is a list of fixed asset and financial statement of PT Sunstar Motor MT Haryono Semarang. Qualitative data that will be used in the preparation of this final task includes an overview of the office of PT Sunstar Motor MT Haryono Semarang, vision and mission, and organizational structure. And types of database of source is primary data used in the preparation of the final task is the result of a direct interview with the director and finance officer of PT Sunstar Motor MT Haryono Semarang. Number 2 is data collection methods. Interview. The interview was conducted directly with the director and accounting department of PT Sunstar Motor MT Haryono Semarang regarding the company's overview, fixed asset acquisition, fixed asset depreciation method, fixed asset depreciation method, and termination of fixed asset. Documentaries. The documentation study was conducted to obtain data on the list of fixed asset, the list of depreciation of fixed asset, and the financial statement of PT Sunstar Motor MT Haryono Semarang. And the literature studies. In the preparation of the final task, library studies are required to read PSAK, intermediate financial accounting books on fixed asset. Number 3 is data processing method. The first is collecting the required data in the form of a list of fixed asset, a list of depreciation of fixed asset, and financial statement. Second, recalculating any accounting treatment related to fixed asset at PT Sunstar Motor MT Haryono Semarang adjusted to PSAK. Number 3, comparing the result of calculation of fixed asset accounting treatment between calculation by authors and calculation by companies. And the last is analyze the accounting treatment of fixed asset at PT Sunstar Motor MT Haryono Semarang. Number 4 is method of writing data. Method of description. Through this method, it can be explained about the general picture of vision and mission, as well as the organizational structure of PT Sunstar Motor MT Haryono Semarang. And the exposition method. This exposition writing is used to find out analyze the accounting treatment of fixed asset at PT Sunstar Motor MT Haryono Semarang. Number 5 is systematic writing. The first is introduction, second literature review, the third research methods, fourth research and discussion, and the last is closing. This is the activity schedule of my final project. The first is submission of title, next submission of proposal, next interview, next data collection, data analysis and processing, writing and discussion, drafting, and the last is article writing. Okay, enough for me. I'm so sorry for all of my mistakes. Thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.